Okay, I'll start the class. You have any doubts before I start the class? Dika, Disha.
No, Akshay.
Okay. I will revise what I told in last class. What I will do, I will quickly create a material vendor and directly I will create a purchase order and do the GR. Okay, so that we will have familiar whatever I have done. And then from there I will take over how automatic account determination we need to understand from that point. So Sanvid is joining. Hi Sanvid.
Hi.
Upload recording, you can start.
Hello. Hello.
Audible? Am I audible?
Yeah. Am I audible?
Yeah.
Okay, great.
You can start recording. I allow recording. Today's topic is integration. It's a MMFI integration. Okay, before that, I will quickly create one PO and we'll do the GR. Okay, from there, I will show you how account information is triggered. Before last class, what we have discussed, quickly I will revise. Okay, 1 second. Quickly I will create a material. Before that, last class, what we have studied, I'll show you. And all some automatic financial configuration we have done last class. I will update that video also. Okay. Financial continue. Global setting. Global parameter control. So last class we have defined for our company code NAC2. I have created new company code NAC2 and also NAC2 purchase organization NAC2. Everything I have created NAC2. NAC2 only. Okay. So you while you are practicing, copy this company code and create your own company code. Or else you can use this company code only. This company code is cleared everything. Here financial year variant we have given. This one we have defined. Financial year variant means what? So how your financial year will be. For example, January to December, or else your March to, in India it will be March to April, like that. So that will be decided here. This is K4 means it's a Indian March to. Okay. And the field status variant, posting period, these all things we have defined. We will do the FI configurations. And chart of account we have defined NAC2. Chart of account means what? Broadly, chart of account contains GL accounts, right? Whatever transaction we are doing, it will hit to some GL accounts, right? That GL accounts, chart of account contains those GL accounts. You can remember like that. We have defined our own, a chart of accounts, and we have defined GL accounts for different individuals. Before that, here, okay, you can check last class video. So this all our FI people will do. So if we are only creating our own chart of account, okay, and all FI configurations, you will not get any errors in future. So I have defined GL accounts /EFS00 to create a GL accounts. Before creating GL accounts, we need to create account groups, right? See, inventory account, GRI clearing account. This is vendor reconciliation account. The last class we are not able to create this one, right? This one I have created. So this one, vendor reconciliation account, which will reflect while creating your vendor, right? So XK01 in that control tab. So that area I will mention, right? Reconciliation account. This is 200. I only defined this one. How to create these all things I have showed in last video. So you can check that one. Okay, so whenever we do the purchase order, it will hit to three accounts, right? So it will inventory account, GRR clearing account. Once invoice is posted, it will hit to vendor reconciliation account. Right? This we will discuss in detail today. How it is hitting different accounts. Whatever we have created, that account only it will hit. So here, let's say this one, like this I have created. So this is a GL account, right? NL account. Like this, I have mentioned different data here, accounting currency, right here, post automatically. We will set as group material accounts I have assigned. Right, like this, this is a GRR clearing account, 101 I have defined. If you want, you can create one more account. Copy this and create one more. 104. Like this, we can create one more. For let's see. Okay, just save it. Okay, 114. So one more GL accounts I have created. Okay, but how this number range I have given everything I told in last class. So whatever word you can create, give a number range. Okay, 4 numbers I have selected accordingly. I have given. This vendor accounts. This is vendor reconciliation. Once vendor post the invoice, so then it will hit to vendor reconciliation account. So this and all I will show once I do the purchase order GR. I will show you. Okay, now I will create on material. Let's take May C2. Let's go RM02. Okay. Material type. Okay, I have created on my material type. Which is for this one. And basic data 1, using MP12. Accounting. And is an AC2. Storage location. This one. This is RM02. Some salt material. Material to basement of major purchase group. MRP type, no planning. 10 days. Okay, see. Okay, again I will show you. I will come back once I do the backend configuration. How to create this valuation class and all. I will show it today. Okay, see, you can observe this many valuation class it is showing right now. How it is showing? This valuation class depends upon my material type. What I have created material type. No? In that material type, account category reference will be there. Okay, so according to these two combinations, these valuation class are appearing here. Okay, we can create our own valuation classes. Okay, for different material types, you can create different valuation classes. Okay, that how we can create, we will study in today's class. For time being, I will take this one 3000. This is my valuation class. Okay, this is link between MM and FI, right? Valuation class is the bridge between MM and FI, I told, right? 3000. Backend, this 3000 is connected to some GL account. Which is that GL account? Just now I showed, right? GL account 100 and 200. That one is for inventory, another is for GRR claim account. Like that, it is connected into. Okay, I will show how it is connected. Let's take this 3000 enter, and I will save this. Okay, this is my material. Quickly, I will create vendor also so that we'll use. Or else you know how to create vendor. We'll take vendor only. I will directly go ahead and create purchase order. Okay, purchase order decode any 21N. Annual purchase order I will create. Vendor is NAC2 I already created. I will take that one. NAC2 company purchase organization. 300 company code also NAC2. Okay, RM02, right? This is my material, my plant. Yes. Plant also NAC2. Okay. Price, I'll keep it 100. Quantity 10. Enter. Currency INR. Okay. Delivery date. Delivery date 7th. I want. Enter. Okay. I'll just check it. No errors. These all are warning messages. Okay, because output is not decided. What is output? It's how it is going to end up. Right. How to configure this one? We have separate copy. Yeah. Load printer P01. Go back. Okay, check again. Okay, so ignore this, and I will save this. Now purchase order will create. Save. Purchase order is created. Quickly do the GL. Show me my geo. Do the GL. Goods system. But all these different inventory. Okay, storage location. This one. Item okay. Deliver not I will give. Okay, this is not okay. Yeah, quantity 10. And check and post. GR is posted. Go to display. Enter. Document info. You can see here. This is my account. Whatever we have created, GL account, that account it is inventory account and GR account 101. Right? These two accounts it is hitting. So these are the transactions keys. BSX, WRX. We have. We'll see that. So okay, whenever we do the GR, okay, inventory account it will hit. This will be debited, right? And GRR claiming account will be credited. Means minus. This I have created. I have not maintained any price in material master, right? So you have observed in violation class only I have maintained, and then I have not maintained any price there, right? So moving your average price. Okay, different scenario how it will work I will show. Okay, cell I will go. And here, let's see, we have a material. Let's say we have a material RM01. Okay, quantity. Let's say 10 quantity. Okay, price. Okay, price. This price now you maintained in this one. What is that in material master? Okay, this is the standard price. This material is your finished material. Okay, solid material, finished material. Material price is here. Standard price you are maintaining. Okay, that is 20. Okay, but this price you have maintained it. Okay, in this one, what is that? In material master. Material master you have maintained this price 20. Okay, but while creation of PO, okay, PO price. PO price is 25. Okay, like this we have maintained verification of PO. So how the GL accounts will hit in this scenario? Okay, this is assignment. Okay, you can practice this and you can observe the different how the different account it is hitting. Okay, in this one, how it is hitting? Once you do the GR, okay, what are the accounting entries? One is your BSX. Okay, that is inventory account. Okay, inventory account will be debited. That is of 200. Okay, the standard price. This into this 200. B debit. Okay, another one your WRX GRR clearing account. The GRR clearing account will be credited. This is how much? 250. Okay, why? Because this is PO price is 25, right? 25 into 100, it will be 250. Okay, 25 quantity. 250 credit CR. And so that what is the price difference here? 50 rupees, right? So that will go to PRD account. That is price difference account. This transaction key is PRD. Price difference account is 50 will be debited. Okay, like this accounting entries will be. Okay, when like this price changes, this will applicable. Like this will happen only in case of if you have maintained the your now what is that price? That is yes, standard price. Calculation of material master. Moving average price B and standard price yes we will maintain, right? That one. If it is yes for this finished material you have created, you maintain the 20 rupees. And for example, while creation of PO, you changed it and you created 25. Okay, like this accounting entries will be like this. Or else usually like these two only entries will happen once we do the GR. Okay, so once invoice is posted, yeah, we'll post the invoice, accounting team will post the invoice. Okay, once he has invoice is posted, this reverse will happen. Okay, your WRX, that is GRR clearing account, and your PSX WRX. Your GRR clearing account will be that is of 250 DR. Here in this case it will debit. Okay. Here GRR claim account will be credit, right? Here in this case it will debit. And your vendor reconciliation account will be credited. That is of much 250. Okay, because both are same, right? This is credit 250, 250. So this much only we need to pay them. Okay, again, once we invoices, once vendor get payment, again 2 entries will happen. Okay, then your bank account will, it will lead to cash account. Bank account will be credited and vendor account will be debited at that last time. Okay, like this accounting entries will happen. Okay, any doubts so far? I have not yet started the automatic account information topic. Okay, these are your transaction keys. Okay, depend. BSA, WRX, PRD, GBB, your consumption account. Okay. Okay, now we'll start the automatic account determination. AAD, automatic account determination is a MMFI integration. Okay. So this one to do how whatever purchase order is we have created, how it is hitting these accounts automatically. We have not done any manual thing, right? Automatically is hitting these accounts. PSI, WRX. Just now I showed you, right? We have done GR and I showed you, right? How it is hitting automatically. So to hit that automatically, what and all backend settings we need to do, that's we will discuss today. Okay. So how to do backend settings? Yeah. We need to define a valuation control and then we need to group together valuation classes, valuation areas, and we'll define the ACR account category reference will define, and then valuation class will need to define and assign this valuation class to valuation is account category reference to our material type. Okay, and then define account grouping for movement types, configure automatic posting. So one by one we'll see. Okay, today. Okay, back to SAP screen. Yes, PIL. I just mentioned all T codes here. Okay, I will show the how to enter the path also. Yeah, if you want to enter, you can enter from here. Or else pathwise also you can enter. I will show you the path. Material management. Valuation and account assignment. Account determination. Account determination with wizard, without wizard. Okay, with wizard means this is manually. If you want to do means that is manually. This is without wizard means automatically. Okay, how automatically it is hitting, right? So 99% all companies automatic only, right? So this one without wizard. Here, so whatever I mentioned, right, everything is here. Define valuation control, together valuation area, define valuation class, right? One by one we'll see. Okay, first this need to be activated. The valuation control. Your valuation grouping code should be active. Okay, how you are evaluating. Then we'll group together valuation areas. Why we will use this one? We'll group together valuation area. For example, if we have many plants, for example, in NAC2, I have NAP1, NAP2, NAP3, like multiple plants I have, right? For all these plants, or else all the for example, you can see here. Let's go inside. Here, so your valuation area, company code, right here you can see. Over here, it's your valuation area, maybe your company code, or else it may be your plant also. Okay, let's say my valuation area is my company code, NAC. This is my company code, right? See here. Like this, you can assign different company codes will be there, right? All these company code you can group together, one valuation grouping code you can give. Your different plants also you can give only one grouping code you can give. Like so grouping code like maybe 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 like that you can give, right? Same thing you can give for different plants. Okay, like this we will use valuation grouping code. So this is not mandatory. If you are not using valuation grouping code, then that's also fine. Or else if you want you can maintain NAC2. For my company code I will give grouping code as NAC2 only, same way. Okay, and I will save it. Okay, this one I will explain it here. For example, see your chart of account. We have defined chart of account in last class. Okay, so chart of account, let's say my chart NAC2 only. I have defined chart of my own chart of account NAC2. NAC2. Okay, and here company code. My valuation area is company code. Okay, company code. I'm evaluating my material through my company code. So my valuation area is company code. Let's say I have three company codes. One is NAC2. Okay, MAC2. AC. Like this, three company codes I have. Okay, so let's say for these two company codes, okay, three company codes I have. Let's say for these two company codes, I will use valuation grouping code. Valuation grouping code 001. Okay. Let's say NAC2 only. Okay, for these two. NAC2, and in this one, in turn backend, it is connected with my GL accounts. GL 001. GL 001. Okay. Understood. See, valuation grouping code for these company code, I have grouped together my valuation grouping code here. For these company codes, so one grouping code I have given. For one other company code, I will give an AC3. Different valuation group I can define. But all these will come under my chart of account, same chart of account. Okay, like that we can define our valuation grouping code. So this is the use of this valuation grouping code. Okay, in your company, you are using only one company code only, means no need to define this one. Okay, if you are using multiple company codes, then you need to identify, okay, for this one I need to use different GL account. For this one I need to use different valuation grouping code. I will define here. I will use different GL accounts. GL 003 I will use. Okay, like that, if you want, means you can define. Filter will come then valuation grouping code. Okay. Okay, if we don't activate this one, valuation grouping code, and our GL account will directly pick this GL account. What is that? Our chart of account. This chart of account will pick the GL accounts directly, or else it will go here and then it will check. Okay, for this one, which is the GL account, it will filter and then it will pick automatically. This is automatic account determination, right? Like that, it will pick. Okay, let's say here we have one more chart of account. Let's say MAC3. This is separate, one more chart of account. In this chart of account, I have one more MAC3 company code. This is separate company code. I have one more company code. Right. In this one, let's say I will turn to client also. Let's say. Okay, first, this one you understood, right? Okay, now I will define. Now my valuation area is my company plant. Okay, here valuation area is company code. Okay, now my valuation area is plant. Okay, now my valuation area is plant. This class will go long today, okay? Because you need to understand all the concept in detail. This is very important class. Okay, if you have any doubts, you can ask me. Okay? This is company code level and this is plant level. Valuation area is plant. Okay, now what will happen? This scenario understood, right? One chart of account I have different company codes. I can divide by different account groups I will create, and accordingly GL accounts I will assign. Okay, this is the act as filter. And now my valuation area is plant. Okay, so how here it will work? Let's say my chart of account is NAC2. This is my chart of account. Okay, here my company code, plant, valuation group. Okay, this is my chart of account. This is my chart of account. Let's say my company code is NAC2. I have 3 company codes. Let's say NAC2, MAC2, right? RAC2. I get 3 company codes I have. Okay. In this NAC2, I have in this NAC2 I have 2 plants. Okay. NAP1, NAP2. Okay, all possible cases I'm showing. Okay, in real company it may be different scenario. Okay, so how a possible cases I'm showing. This is MAP1, In this company code, I have two plants again, MAP2. In this company code, RAP1, RAP2. Okay, see here. This is my company code, two plants, and this two plants, and this again two plants I have. Okay, so how valuation grouping code will be? So for these two plants, okay, I will give this for this NAP1 plant, I will give my valuation grouping code is NA001. Okay, this is my valuation grouping code for this plant. Okay, and you can group together these two also. This is maybe different company code, but these two plants for these two plants, you can give one valuation grouping code. That is NA002. Okay, these two. Technically, no different company code, but you can group together valuation grouping code here. You can give, but it should be under same chart of account. And these two also you can give. One more NA003 valuation grouping code, and this will have one GL 001. This will have one GL 002. Okay, this will have one more GL 3. And these two plants, this plant is belongs to this company code, this plant belongs to this company code. Like this you can combine, and for example, so let's say you have one more chart of account here in a Z A C2. Okay, this is one more chart of account you have. In this one more company code you have in ZAC2 company code you have. Here also you have one plant. Right? ZA even you have plant. Okay, you cannot do for these two, you cannot define the same valuation grouping code. Why? Because chart of account is different, right? Here chart of account is different. That's why you cannot do different plants. It will not come. If chart of account is different, you cannot give the same valuation crop for different company codes, and different plants you cannot combine. But for same chart of account, that maybe your company code may be different. You can give valuation grouping code according to your wish. Okay, we cannot create same valuation group for two different chart of accounts. This point you need to note. Okay. So far, so good. Cleared, right? Everything? Any doubts? I will go into.
So for RAP2, we will be needing to create another valuation group and another GL account separately.
No, that's what example I am showing. If you want here, you can do anything. For these three also, you can give same valuation group.
Club one. Okay.
Also, you can give different. What I'm telling, these two you cannot do. Why? Because
different chart of accounts we cannot combine. Yeah.
You cannot combine. Here, whatever combination you can do for all these plants, you can give one valuation grouping code also.
Okay.
Doesn't make sense, right? Because valuation group, why you are using to filter. So this GL account, if this is not there, direct from chart account, it will pick this GL account directly.
Right.
Act as filter you can.
Right.
Okay.
Yeah.
Any other doubts, guys? Okay, this is all possible case I showed you. Okay, in real time, it will be not like this, right? Like maybe your business may be having only one company code. If they are using only, so what as a consultant will suggest, we'll use we'll reduce our work. So everything will give one only valuation group only will assign. Different plants will give one valuation crowd, ACR only valuation grouping code. Okay, now where we are here. Okay, here for my valuation, this one company code, I have different valuation grouping code. Okay, back. Again, I can. Nakul, you have opened this one. Don't practice at the same time. Okay. And then you can practice later. While explaining, don't practice. Okay. So here again, I will go SPIO. That is reference IMG. Material management. Valuation and account determination. Account determination without wizard. Define valuation control is over. Here group together valuation AI is over. Now we will define our own valuation class. Go here. Define valuation class. Here you need to understand. Okay. See, we need to define this account category reference. ACR. Account category reference. Why we will define this account category reference? This importance I will tell you. Okay. Let me go back to Excel. Here already made. Let's say we have material one, okay, and material two. This is valuation class. Valuation class ACR account category. This is the account category reference. And here comes your material type. Once again, I'm making a message. Yes. Okay. See, valuation class I showed, right? 3000. Many things are there. Let's say here for these two materials, I will use only 3000 as my valuation class. This is 3000 my valuation class. Okay. And I have another two materials here. Okay. We have 3 and 4. Okay, these two I have one more valuation class. Let's say 3 1. Okay. So these two I will use this valuation class. These two I will use 3001 as my valuation class. I will have one more material. We'll say material 5. For this one, I will use 300. So my valuation class. So what is use of this account reference? Account category reference is for these two I will combine. I will use one ACR, one account category reference. That is, let's say 1000. This is my account category reference. And for this one, for this material, I will use separate 2000. I will use as my account category reference. And for this one, my material type will be, let's say, ROH. And for this one, my material type will be, let's say, finished. Right? So according to material type, for ACR is assigned to this material type and account category reference is assigned to this valuation class. So in this way, indirectly, my valuation class is assigned to my material type. So I cannot assign my valuation class directly to my material type. We need to assign my valuation class to this ACR, and this ACR is assigned to material type. Okay. So it will pick like this. So whenever this account category reference, this will be assigned to this material type. While creation of material type, I will assign this ACR. How? I will show you how I will assign my creation of material type. In OMS2, we have created material type, right? There one tab is there, ACR, account category reference. For this, my material type, this account category reference I can give. So whenever I'm creating my material, this material, okay, this material I'm creating, so using my material type, my own material type, through this account category reference, this valuation class will appear there in that drop down. We showed that many valuation class is there, means for example, this two valuation class, let's say 4, 5, many you can create and give only one account category reference. All these valuation class will appear while in that material master. Okay, for now, so I will show you. Once I do, I will go back and I will show you. Okay, we will create a material type account category reference. For my material type, I will go and assign and we will check there. Okay, we will create valuation class also. Everything we will create, I will show you. Like that, we can divide for these two material 3000. For these two valuation class, only one account category reference I am using. For this material type, I am using separate account category reference. For my material type wise, I am dividing it here. Okay, material group wise also you can divide. However you want, you can divide. Okay, come back to the screen. One second. See here, account category reference. Go here. 5 minutes, half minutes it will go. Again, I will open. Okay, I will directly go through T code. Okay, here. See account category reference. Open. I will create my own account category reference. I'll copy and I will create NAC2. Right? This is my account category reference. Raw material I will create. And this is my account category reference. I will save it. NAC2 is my account category reference. Back. Valuation class I will create. Okay, here many valuation classes are there, right? So you can define your own valuation class and assign your account category reference, which we have created just now. Right, I will click the new entry. My valuation class is, let's say, I will create 5,000. Okay, 5,000. My account category reference is NAC2. Description. This is for NAC2 for raw materials, ROH material. Okay. Whenever I am creating raw material, this valuation class should appear. Okay. Like this, you can create one more. 5001. The same valuation class I'm assigning NAC2. Okay. NAC2. ROH for FMCG materials. Like that, you can create different valuation class, right? Save. Let's see here, you can select your project. So here it's not there. I'll create a new one. Okay, save. Valuation class created. Go back. So what I have done, I have created ACR, account category reference, and I have created valuation class. And in that only I have assigned this ACR to my valuation class, whatever I created. Okay, like this. Okay. Valuation class, account category reference. Now, material type. I need to link it to material type, right? So as I said, we cannot directly assign valuation class to material type. We need to assign by this ACR only. Go here. What is my material type? Let's say my material type is, I have created material type. Let's say we will create material type and then we will come back here. Okay. My material type is /NOMS2, right? To create material type. Here I will create my material type. Reference value is ROH. This is a standard. Copy and create your own here. Let's say Z or else MROH I'll create. This is for ROH underscore NAC2. Okay, for this one. Okay, here you can see here this and all, you know, whatever it's appearing, it will come, right? This, you know, I have explained. Go down here, you can see account category reference, right? Here you can assign your own account category reference, what you have created. What I have created, NAC2, right? This one. Enter. An entry already exists with this key, and I will change it to XROH. This also used. GROH. Okay, GROH. GROH is my material type. Enter. Again, I have given my this one, right? ACR I have assigned it. Material type. My own account category. Earlier, what used to happen here, this one, already I have copied from standard na 0001, that account category reference, it will pick automatically. Now I have given my own account category reference, what I have created, right? I have saved it. Go back. We will do the quantity and value updating. GROH. Go here. Double click. For my plant, click twice. My plant is what? NAC2 only. I will update. Okay, that was saved. Go back. Okay, my material type is created. Now I will go back to the screen. OMSK. Okay. Here we have created a ACR valuation class. Now my material type I will assign my valuation, my ACR. So my material type here, just now I created GROH. Yes, here, see my account category reference, NAC2, it's assigned. How I have assigned it here only, right, while I am creating. Or else here it will come 0001. I need to delete and I need to assign, right? Both are saved. Here also you can give, there also you can give. Okay, save. Everything is fine. Okay, so valuation class we have defined, and my account category reference is assigned to this valuation class. My ACR account category reference is assigned to my material type also. So in this way, my valuation class is assigned to my material type indirectly. Okay, so far cleared? See here, /N MM01. Go here. Let's select any industry. This is my GROH, right? GROH, my material type. Okay. Enter. We'll go into accounting view. I'll show you NAC2. You can see here valuation class. Here see only 5000 5001 is coming, right? how it is coming filtered by my ROS, by my this one account category reference NAC2, as I showed you here. Okay, clear, right? This one.
Yep.
Now. Now, so you understood up to here, right? So how my valuation class is linked to GL account, right? Up to here you are clear, right? So my valuation class is how it is this, my 5,000 this is linked to my GL accounts, right? That we need to define, right? That we will see it in tomorrow's class. How my valuation class is linked to GL accounts. This one. Configure automatic posting, account. So these and all we'll see in tomorrow's class. And we'll run our own scenario, how it is hitting. We'll create material using my new valuation class 5,000, and we'll see how it is hitting. My valuation class is linked to GL account. How it is linking, we'll see in tomorrow's class. Okay, so far any doubts?
No, Akshay.
Clear?
Akshay.
Yeah. Shambhu, clear, right?
Cleared, sir.
Okay. Okay, then we'll meet on tomorrow's class. Tomorrow we'll see how my valuation class is linked to GL account, and we'll run the full scenario. How my accounting entries are triggering. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, Akshay.
Thank you, Akshay.